The horn has not yet sounded in the forest, yet the taut air hums with anticipation. The hound's gazes fix on the path ahead, and the hunter stands already at the heart of order and ritual. This magnificent bronze statue, housed in the California Museum of Fine Art, captures the elegance and grandeur of France's hunting heritage. The hunter, clad in 18th century aristocratic attire, stands with quiet confidence, his hand poised to sound the hunting horn, either signaling the start of the chase or celebrating a triumphant pursuit. At his side, two powerful hounds stand alert, their muscular forms embodying loyalty, agility, and the deep bond between man and beast. Every detail of the sculpture is exquisitely rendered, from the delicate folds of the hunter's coat to the finely textured fur of his hounds, reflecting the artisan's masterful craftsmanship. Over time, a graceful patina has settled upon the bronze, imbuing it with an antique charm, as if whispering stories from a bygone era. More than just an artwork, this piece serves as a window into the opulent world of French noble hunting traditions, preserving the legacy of artistry and refinement for generations to come.